Hi again, Lisa here. I'm going to be doing a flip and drag on a 10 by 10 canvas. I'm going to be using a white background and I'm going to be using Artist Loft Flow White for the white. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use my OXO spatula, omelet spatula tool that I got from eBay, and I'd highly recommend getting one. Just makes paint spreading so much easier. This thing is like a miracle tool. I never have used it for omelets, but I bet it would be awesome for that. Look how fast that white went on there. Try to get all of it off here. I don't like to waste paint. So none of my paints have silicone in them, so I'm going to be adding silicone spot on treadmill lubricant as I go. I've decided to use these colors today. I have the Liquitex Primary Blue, Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, Artist Loft Light Blue, and Artist Loft Neon Yellow. And I'll probably be adding a little bit of the Artist Loft Black in my cup and the white. So first I'm going to start with the white. And I've pre-treated my cup with blaster silicone so that the paint will release easier. So here we go. Start with some white. Put some purple in there. Some neon yellow. A drop of the treadmill lubricant silicone, a little bit of black, some of this beautiful light blue, primary blue, some of this yellow, a little bit of more white, I'm almost afraid to use too much of this. I don't want it to take over. And some more of the primary blue. Do a shot down the middle of the Flow White. So let it sit there for a minute. Another way you could do this, instead of putting your white on first like I did, you can flip your cup and then put the white on around it. That way you can at least pick up your canvas to flip. Now I'm going to have to just turn my cup over really fast and hope that it doesn't splatter all over my canvas. So I'm going to do a cross in my cup just to get a little bit of mix because I had added the silicone drops into the mix. Put a little bit more white, make sure it's nice and wet. This doesn't have to be perfect, but I do like to make sure I can not waste my paint. Okay. So I'm going to start off in, let me see, a little bit more of that up there. I'm going to start off in a corner and drag it across, down and across, I think. Oops. Yeah, I'm not too good at doing the flip. Yeah. It didn't exactly turn out like I expected, but you never know what you're going to get when you're doing these. I'm going to wait before I start doing anything to it, see what kind of cells I have coming up. Maybe just tip it a little bit this way so I don't lose all of my paint. I do have some cells forming. I'm going to try to pick up this blue that came off and put it back on my canvas. Why waste paint when you don't have to, right? Okay. Some really cool, interesting cells coming up here. I'm really liking this area right in here. It's got a lot of white mixed in it. I'm going to hit this with my propane torch. Actually, it's not my propane torch. Belongs to my roommate. I like propane better than the butane. It seems like it's hotter and it makes more cells come up. And I mean, that's just my opinion. I don't know if that's true, but in my experience, that's what happens. That's some really cool cell activity. Tip it. Try to tilt it very slowly because I don't want to lose a lot of these cells that are coming up. Got some cool stuff going on here. This way. Come back with it. Probably going to end up using my medical tubing and blow some of this out. Cover this black spot with a little bit of white paint. I have all this here with not much going on because when I flipped my cup, that's where it came out of the sides before it actually hit the canvas. Like I was saying, I'm not very good at doing that. I actually should have flipped it and then put the white around it. But, you know, live and learn. Really loving some of the cell activity here. Just using a little bit of paint off the canvas to touch up the sides. I'll probably end up touching all the sides up off camera. Most of it's going to be white. Okay, let's see. Time to get out the medical tubing. See what I can do here. It's funny, I put a lot of that neon yellow in here, not much is showing up, but it might be a good thing. Create a little bit of interest there. I can then get my skewer out and do some things. I'm not really happy with this area. It looks just so bland to me. Trying a few little swirls here. Don't be afraid to try new things. I mean, art is all an experiment, really. Well, abstract art is. You never know what you're going to find unless you try it. Kind of looks like a bug. I'm going to do something there. That's better. I don't know if all of these are going to stay because the paint comes back over them, but maybe some of them will. colors are very pretty. I really love the colors. I just wished I hadn't have dropped the cup right there. Some really cool little cells down in here. When I'm finished, I'll bring you up in for a close-up so you can see what I see. You know, it's hard to see everything like this on a camera. Probably go on for hours doing this. But I think I better stop before I get to the point of no return. As I keep going. It's like, just 5 more minutes, Mom. Okay. Swipe that. Oh, that looks good. Swipe this corner here. That's cool. And I just can't stop. Okay, I'm just gonna have to make myself stop. Or I'd keep going all day. Okay, so there we have my flip and drag on a white background. And I want to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comment section for me and I'll try to accommodate you. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.